7:56 on your Monday morning. It's your Third Degree Burns right here. And actually, we have with us the United States Army Garrison Japan Commander, Colonel Phil Gage, talking to us this morning. Sir, how's it going?
Hey, good morning, Sam. How's everyone?
Just hanging in there after last night. So I know, sir, you had some updates as to what's going on with USAG for this typhoon that just happened.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, wow, what a night, right? I mean, so the storm, this is about the worst one we've seen down here in the Camp Zama area. And I just want to tell everyone, hey, thanks for doing the right thing. I mean, we prepare for to be ready in events such as these, and we did that all. You know, last month is National Preparedness Month, and so I think it really paid off for us. So I just appreciate the community paying attention to the T-Core levels as we move through that. So just in terms of an update, we went to all clear this morning about 07 in Camp Zama, Sagamiara housing area. And as you get out and move around today, I'd just like everyone just to be careful. I mean, there is a lot of debris around, a lot of trees mainly. Thankfully, we didn't sustain a lot of damage to our facilities, but we certainly have a lot of debris and trees on the road. So as you're coming to work, just be careful and pay attention. The crews are probably out there taking limbs apart and taking them off the roads and everything else. And I just want to ask everyone, as you get to your workplace, and if you find any damage, I got a couple of phone numbers for you to call. And we want you to contact our DPW help desk, and that way you let us know where the damage is, and we can get it taken care of. So those numbers, if you find damage, it's if you're calling from off post, it's 046-407-4274. And then if you got a DSN line, DSN 263-4274. And we'll be working to get all the debris policed up. And just thanks, and stay safe and be careful when you're driving around.